Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve GATE 2022 Biotechnology NAT and MCQ type of questions. So let's proceed. First question is that binding free energy of a ligand to its receptor protein is minus 11.5 kilojoule mole inverse at 300 Kelvin temperature. What is the value of the equilibrium binding constant, where R value, that is 8.314 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse, is given. So this is again MCQ type of question. So the demand of this question is equilibrium binding constant value. So we have to figure out KEQ value. In this questions the data are given, that is delta G value is equal to minus 11.5 kilojoule mole inverse. So if we want to convert this particular value in joule, 1000 should be multiplied, that is 11.5 into 1000 joule mole inverse. So the value will be 11500 joule mole inverse. Temperature is given, that is 300 Kelvin. So temperature is 300 Kelvin and R value is given 8.314 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse. So we know the equation, that is delta G is equal to minus RT ln K EQ. Delta G value is minus 11500 is equal to minus 8.314 into 300 ln K EQ value. Minus will be removed from both the sides. So ln K EQ value will be 11500 divided by 8.314 into 300. So this value will be approximate 4.616. So now KEQ value will be e to the power 4.616, which is almost 101.4. So this value is nearest to 100.5. So in this case, the option D will be right answer. Next question is that the recognition sequence of 4 type 2 restriction enzymes are given below. The symbol, that is arrow, indicates the cleavage site. Identify the RE that generates sticky ends. So the demand of these questions are in last line, that is that RE which produces sticky ends, we should opt that out. First option is RE1 5' G cut site GATCC 3', RE2 5' CTG cut site CAG, option C RE3 5' CCC cut site GGG 3', RE4 5' AG cut site CT 3'. Restriction enzymes cuts DNA, that is double-stranded DNA, and produces either sticky end or blunt end. What does this mean? These sticky ends may be 5' overhang or 3' overhang, 5' overhang or 3' overhang, and blunt end where no any sticky ends or overhangs are found. So no overhangs. Or say if we consider about the first option, that is 5' GGA TCC 3', this strand will be complementary of this, so CCT AGG 5'. So this is the cut site. So after the treatment of RE1, it will be showing 5' GA TCC 3' C CT A G G 5'. So an overhang is generated here, that is GATC, and here again CT AG. In case of this particular option, if we consider it again in this manner, CTG CAG 3', 5', GAC GTC 5'. So this is the cut site. So it will be generating 5' CTG 3', GAC CAG 3', GTC 5'. So here no any overhangs are found. In case of option 3, that is again 5' CCC GGG 3', GGG CCC 5'. So here is the cut site. So it will be generating 5' CCC GGG 3', GGG CCC 5'. So again here no any overhangs are found. In case of option D, 5' AGCT 3', TC GA 5'. So here are the overhangs, here are the restriction sites. So it will be producing 5' AG CT 3', TC GA 5'. So here again no any overhangs are found. Overhangs are found only in case of first option. So first option will be the right answer for this question. Next is the specific growth rate of a yeast having a doubling time of 0.693 hour. So what will be the growth rate? We know a formula, that is R is equal to 0.693 divided by T half. Here T half is equal to 0.693 hour. So R will be 0.693 divided by 0.693 is equal to 1. So answer will be 1 per hour. So these are for the today's lecture. Hope it will be helpful for you. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you.